We had a problem where the toilet keeps backing up here. And I bet there's something in there. There's probably something in there. See if I can get my snake in there. And there's one type of head in there. Let's see. There's something in there. Could be a toy in there. Oh yeah, there's something in there. There's something in there for sure. I can't get the snake by it. Definitely something in there. Something in the toilet. I got a different type. I might be able to get in there and what happens is the paper gets, there's probably a toy in there. If I get another type of snake, I might be able to hook it and pull it back. I can't get the snake to go through. Let me try my other snake. The other one's got a hook on it. This one's got a hook on it. I might have to pull the toilet. Sometimes I could grab it, pull it back. Definitely something stuck in there. I can feel it. The snake won't go through. Well, I got it. I got a fucking hooked on that fucking thing. Probably a toy. Wow. I can't. I'm gonna have to pull the toilet. Definitely something in it. Wow. Definitely something in there. I don't know what it is, but we'll figure it out. I'll have to pull the toilet. It'll go now, but as soon as you put paper in it, it won't flush. We'll try. Here it's gurgling and shit. We'll have to pull the toilet to get my tools. Something's stuck in there. Might have to go with a new toilet. Depends on what's in there. I can't get the snake to go through. It's stopping. So we'll pull the toilet and take a look at it. See what's going on with it. Try some paper in it and see if that gets blocked in there. If that don't flush, we know there's something stuck in there for sure. Well, it went. Let's see, we'll try flushing it again. I think there's something stuck in there. I'll try a couple of more. try some more paper. See what happens. There's something stuck in that foot. There's something stuck in there, I bet you. See how the water's going down slow? Probably a toy. See how it's going down slow? Yeah, there's something in there. Paper's fetching up. I have to get my tools and pull it. That's it. I can't get my snake to go down. It goes down 3/4 of the way and then stops right there. I have hooked on it with the other snake, but it won't come back. Whatever it is, it's pretty big. Well, I mean, pump it out, pull the toilet out, and take a look on the side of it. We'll see. Let me get my tools. We'll pump it out. It's a newer toilet, 1.28 gallon. There's something in there. I don't know what, but I'm thinking it's maybe a Matchbox car or something like that. Something. It's not going down. Let me get my tools. My pump here. We're gonna have to pump it out because we're gonna take the toilet and tip it. I want to get all the water out of it. I'm gonna put it on its side, tip it on its side, and take a look in there. See what's going on. Sometimes we could run the snake in the other way and see if we could push back the item. Whatever in there, push it from the bottom out. Sometimes that'll work. Either that or I need a new toilet. One or the two. Hey, oh shit, I can. I don't give you much room here. Wow, that thing's tight. It's tighter than your average Joe there. That one is. I don't know why. Why would somebody put it so flippin' tight? You don't need to. You don't need to go that tight with it. She's a leaker. What do you think's gonna be in there? I'm thinking a little Matchbox toy. That's what I'm thinking. A little car. This has got a sewer injector down on this lower level, so I mean, usually there's a lot of baby wipes and shit that you throw in here, but he's a licker. Somebody's been pissing on the flipping floor here. Alright, we're gonna pull this toilet and see what we got in there for a prize. See what we got in there for a gem. Pipe looks clear. I don't know what the flip that thing is. I don't think it's coming out. I'm gonna need a new toilet, looks like. Wow. Some kind of block. It ain't coming out, it's a wooden block. Well, I'll go run out and get him another toilet. How the hell are you gonna get that out of there? Well, looks like it's time for a new shitter. Oh well. I had to run out and get another toilet. Nice big jumbo wax. That'll be fine. That'll squish down good. Jumbo wax from hell here. She's a shitter, mama. She's a new shitter. I got a new open face seat, new tank, new toilet. One of those Glazer Bay toilets. Very reasonable. Here's a flusher.